Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Greetings from the channel again. We have some important updates on the Shibarium update. Significant work is on the way. So right here, Shib Army, be aware that Rocket Pond will soon be revealed in just a few days. Additionally, we'll choose a few MB-related metaverse-related questions from this post to be addressed in our following blog post to conclude the competition. Remain tuned. That is a significant piece of information. But I've previously covered that in a video. Just a quick update here. Huobi Exchange AMA is currently organizing General AMA with them in an impossible partnership or collaboration. The community also needs another strong push in the direction of bullishness because they have any customized Shib cold wallets with cutting-edge technology. The good news is that the market as a whole is currently rising. Right now, Bitcoin is rising and performing exceptionally well. And because Bitcoin is doing well, everything else will also do well because nothing will truly be holding it back. Shibarium is a significant development that will support the growth of the Shiba Inu company. You know, we've been waiting a really long time for this last introduction of Shibarium. We only recently received the beta version, which was released on March 11th, if you recall. We were informed that we would most likely see Shibarium in a few months, possibly in May, so here we are as May begins tomorrow. And, as you may be aware, Shibarium could be released at any moment. And so far, based on their testing, we know that everything is going well, working according to plan, and even breaking records and performing better than anticipated. Shibarium could therefore launch even earlier than expected. The future? The possibility of anything like that or an early release of Shibarium might have a significant impact on the Shib ecosystem and the price of Shiba Inu as well as other shipping-related tokens. Therefore, it is clear that the market is doing well overall today. For Shib to increase, the market must also be doing well. And Bitcoin is flourishing. Given the current state of Bitcoin, Shiba Inu's pricing is significantly undervalued right now and ought to be worth twice as much as it is. But if I were to interpret that, oh, that was it. That would indicate to me. Why is that what's happening? Shibarium is about to be released, but there's still some ambiguity, which is keeping the price, flat. If you pay attention, Shiba Inu prices aren't rising, but they also aren't falling. It has simply been stuck at this level recently. And as for the pricing, we'll have to wait and see when the Shibarium is released. The good news is that they are currently working on a number of projects, including Metaverse, which debuted this year. They're going to give us a lot of information about it over the course of the next few days. This week also brings the Fed meeting, which may prompt a market surge as a whole. Shiba Inu's price is therefore poised for a breakout. You shouldn't pass up any upcoming opportunities. The Bone price has started. Boom price is prospering. Numerous exchanges have listed it. My forecast for this week is as follows. I predict that Bitcoin will keep rising and surpass $32,000. I predict that both the overall market performance and the Chivi yearly will be positive. We'll hear updates on the Metaverse. Additionally, it assisted in keeping the price inflated. Additionally, this week will generally feature a lot of green. So be prepared. Although I believe there will be a lot of green and a significant pump, it can be a very volatile week, so be prepared. So be aware of that. And I'll see you all in the next